Here I have REALME Nano C3i, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here on our device. So what you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out like this, and you can eject it. And here you have to put your SD card and here your SIM card, and then just put it back into your device like this. As you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read, and there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.